Kululi 20-liter mini fridge. This Kululi mini fridge is sleek, compact, and perfectly portable. Featuring an easy-to-read display. Adjust and set your desired temperature with the simple touch of a button. Innovative semiconductor operation is energy efficient, ultra quiet, and 100% eco-friendly.
I'm so excited to share with you our #1 best-selling foundation, the 4-in-1 Pressed Mineral Makeup. In 60 seconds, you can apply foundation, concealer, finishing powder, and SPF. Using the chisel brush, press the bristles into the powder and sweep and buff it onto the skin. Formulated with ingredients like shea butter, vitamin E, and our proprietary skincare complex, the result is amazing, hydrated, healthy-looking skin. Are you ready to take the 60-second challenge?
How to apply True Match Tinted Serum? Easy. Shake well, apply like a serum, add 2 to 3 drops, blend it with your fingertips for the perfect nude look.